About to get on the water taxi, headed to West Bay. You can walk there. There were no buses. If you have your own vehicle, obviously you can do it. But I'm gonna catch this taxi. I think this is the most popular. It should be $5. Lempiras and the local should be what, $120. But here we go. Headed to the other part of, this is West End. Kind of the backpacker, laid back, chill vibe. We're headed to the kind of family area where there's supposed to be some of the better beaches, and you have them chilling over there, relaxing. Oh man, you gotta be careful getting on. You fall in this water. I think I should be cool. Oh, all right. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. We are here on West Bay. Just got out. Shout out to them. Smooth ride. Here goes the lovely beaches. Obviously, it's gonna, from what I hear, this is the more family-oriented, relaxed side. You're gonna have, I'm sure behind all this, you're gonna have like the resorts stuff. My man over here has a beer. Living the life right here, relaxing. What time of year is it? This is, dang, it's May. I don't know. I don't think this is peak season. So it's not, the beach isn't filled, which I'm sure some of you guys love. The water taxi, I don't know if I said this earlier, it was $5 per person. I think maybe minimum 4 or something, 5, I don't know. But if you try to go by yourself, it might cost a little bit more. Then you know, volleyball, beach volleyball. All right, the music, the activity. Oh man, massage right here on the beach. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's pretty active. Oh, yeah, they got massages over there. These lovely ladies over here, what they got going on? Music, this might be like a resort behind there. Oh yeah, this is what I can use right now, but it's been in the sun the whole time. Mango.
This is the mango fruit. Mango.
Okay. And it's got like hot sauce or?
It's have hot sauce. It's very good.
Oh man. Yeah, that looks delicious.
Very good.
Nice. Hey, good. Yeah, that was I'm sure I said this in another video, but man, Mexico vibes. That's the only place I've seen. Well, now it's the second place that puts like spicy sauce on their fruit. Mexico was number 1, and then Honduras is number 2. There's definitely some Mexico vibes. But people saying in the chat section, you know, culturally, they have some similarities, you know, the Mesoamerican. Oh, they got drinks. Hola! ¿Qué está tomando?
Piña colada, margarita.
Okay, piña colada con
Vodka.
oh, con vodka. Ah, okay. Perfecto. Hey, piña colada, margarita. Woo, man. I showed you guys my face like I do in every other video, drenched in sweat. Oh, man. I won't show it to you guys this time. But it's okay, I'm near the beach, so I just tell everyone, hey, I got out of the beach. And people are relaxing, you got the villas. Yeah. Woo. What do you guys think? Look pretty chill. I know some people, they prefer it packed. You know, like Brazil style, Ipanema Beach style. Ton of people. Obviously, you have more opportunities for eye candy, right? But then there are some who say, nah, I would like to relax, I'm on vacation. That's the reason why, you know, that's the thing about vacation, is relaxing. You know, not being stressed, being hounded by vendors trying to sell you things. Because right here, I don't see a ton of vendors. I just see people, maybe one or two massage ladies, and then everyone else is in the beach with a drink. Just relaxing, so it depends. But keep in mind, like I said, this is May. I don't know if this is peak season, high season, mid season, low season. But so far, so good. It's chill. I will say this, is people here speak very good English. Guys, let me just show you. I'm drenched right now. You probably can't see it. Maybe that way. Ooh. But this time I got the shorts. Got sweat falling on the camera. Hold on, let me switch this. Right behind here, there's a golf club. So you already know what time it is. Anytime you have a country club, golf club, you know, the vibe is gonna be different. I don't know, look like they're making drinks out of the boat. This. All right. Oh man, that look right too. Oh, all the juices. Okay.
Gotta make sure we don't go too low, you know.
Okay. He's chopping it up right there.
Strain some juice out of it.
Okay.
So you have enough room to put all the rum and everything, you know.
Okay.
Magic sauce and everything.
Oh yeah. Look at the inside.
Keep scraping this actually. Before I go wide.
Oh,
You're still gonna be getting juice out of it.
All right. Oh, you put it right back in there.
Yeah.
Then the sweet stuff right here.
Magic sauce, you know.
The magic sauce.
A lot of rum.
Oh man.
You gotta have the umbrella, brother.
Uh-huh. There we go. Gotta be fancy.
Roger. Make it look real tropical.
Damn.
Naturally made piña colada.
There we go, guys. Damn. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. All the chairs are up right now. Sitting on the tree, Caribbean style. And I'll let you know what it tastes like. All right, we're headed back. I want to head into the interior for a quick second, although I'm wet and sandy. Dropped my camera in the sand. Oh man, it's been all bad for a second. But for the review of the drink, delicious. One thing I will add, and maybe because I'm here a little late, some ice. If he can invest in some ice or maybe freeze the liquor so it's cold, oh man, I'll make it more refreshing. But let's see if we can head to the interior. All right, it's a little bit more active now. Oh man, I'm gonna grab some food to go. Then I'm headed back to the room to chill. Okay, there goes the baleadas right here. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, this is very popular in Honduras right here, baleadas. The tortillas, and it usually comes with any kind of filling you want. If you're from Venezuela, or if you've been to Venezuela, or if you've eaten Venezuelan food, they have something similar to this. I forgot what it's called. But in Venezuela, they have like a arepa, and inside they have a filling. So it usually comes with bean, cheese, and whatever else you want. I just got the chicken I got the beans, chicken, and avocado right there. And so I'm gonna kill this, and I don't know if you can hear in the background, a lot of bachata, man. They love bachata out here. And then we have the sauces. Spicy sauce, got the green sauce. Like I said, it reminds me of a little bit of Mexico vibes, because usually in Mexico, when you order some tacos or anything, it comes with onion, cilantro, lime, and then red and green sauce. So, you know, I kill this, head to the room, relax, and then that's it, man. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you found some value in it, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Deuces.